Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Webflow 2026. So at first you will need to open the Webflow designer. To do that you will need to go with the webflow.com website and sign in with your account, and then just locate the project that you want to work on and then just click on open in Webflow to be redirected to the Webflow designer. So here you will need to click on add panel or add option, the plus icon that's located on the left side bar, and then just scroll down until you can see drop down option and you can find it on the advanced section. So here you will need just to drag the drop down inside your navigation menu, for example. So just place it right here, and by default Webflow adds the drop down toggle, like the clickable button, okay, that one, and drop down list, the hidden menu. So now you can customize it. So you can go with styles right here in the settings, and right here you can customize it as well. So from here or the style section, you can customize the text. So you can customize the layout, the spacing, the size, the position, and extra the background, borders, effects. So it's up to you. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.